One of the challenges that we face when we are following a keto friendly or low carb diet, particularly during the holidays, is to still be able to enjoy the foods that we love, but at the same time stay on our healthy me nutrition track. Well, the good news, guys, is that I am going to share 3 of my favorite dessert recipes over a 3-part series that not only you can enjoy, but also your family and friends that may not necessarily be following a keto friendly or low carb diet. They are that good. And the first recipe that I'm going to share with you is my viral blueberry cream cheese dump cake. And if you don't know what a dump cake is, it's basically where you take fresh fruit along with a cake or box cake mix and you dump it into a baking dish along with some butter and you bake it. That's why you get the dump cake. Well, what I did, you guys, is I created my own cake mix using almond flour, and it is beyond phenomenal. So without further ado, you guys, let's stop talking about it and let's show you how easy it is to put this together. We're going to start with 3/4 cups of almond flour, and I went ahead and sifted this. To this, we are going to add some coconut flour. And then we're going to add some baking soda, baking powder, and some salt. So what we're doing is we are making a cake mix. Because normally in a dump cake, what you do is you put some type of fruit at the bottom and then you cover the fruit with a boxed cake mix. And of course in keto, you cannot do the flour, you cannot do the sugar. So we're making our own cake mix. Now let's go ahead and give this a whisk to make sure that the baking powder, soda, and salt are well incorporated into this flour. Okay, so that is well incorporated. So to this, we're going to add the sweetener. And you guys, this is our cake mix. So next up is the fruit. And again, I will be using blueberries for this dump cake recipe. Now for these blueberries, what I'm going to do with these is I am going to take about a teaspoon of vanilla extract and I'm going to coat these blueberries with it. So now these have been prepped. And you guys, the next step is to go ahead and prep this cream cheese. So this has been softened, as you can see here. And what I'm gonna do is I'm going to add some powdered sweetener. Go ahead and blend this in until it is smooth and creamy. There we have it. Okay. Now it's time to assemble this dump cake. This is the baking dish that I'm going to be using, and I am going to coat it with some non-stick cooking spray. This is an avocado oil, which I either purchased from Amazon or Walmart, one of the two. Okay, so the first thing that we need to do is to put the fruit at the bottom and spread it out. And next, we are going to take this cream cheese and we're just going to drop it or dump it onto these blueberries. And of course, you guys, as little as or as much as you want. So as I'm doing this, I'm trying to envision to serving this so that I can make sure that every serving has an ample amount of this cream cheese. Now next, the cake mix, okay, to coat the top of this. And spread this out evenly. I want to make sure that the fruit is covered, that this cream cheese is covered. The last step in this whole process is to put the butter on top. And I've taken this butter and I have sliced it. And you guys, this is it. we have completed making a blueberry dump cake. Okay, so at this point, I am going to put it in the oven for 30 minutes. I'm going to keep watching it. I think we're going to start watching it, or checking it, I should say, at 25 minutes, because the last time I made it, I was anticipating around 45 minutes. I started smelling it, and thankfully I checked at 30 minutes and it was ready to go. So the oven is already preheated to 350 degrees. And you guys, the next time you see me, this will be coming out of the oven. All right, everyone, this is the completed blueberry cream cheese dump cake, hot out of the oven. This recipe is that good. And another thing that I absolutely love about it is that one recipe fits all, you guys. Again, whether you're following keto, low carb, or you are not, everyone can indulge in this recipe. So if you want to learn how to put together not only this recipe, but other recipes that are healthier versions of the things that you love, then keep watching to learn how to transform your diet, whether it's sweet treats or main dishes, into enjoyable, lower sugar, lower carb, more nutrient-rich recipes that even the newest of cooks can master with ease. So, if you want to eat your favorite foods but want to stay healthy, click here for my guilt-free versions of the dishes you love, packed with flavor but not the unhealthy stuff. If you enjoy this recipe, please do remember to give it a like. And if you know anyone that you feel would benefit from what we are doing here on this channel, and that is healthy versions of the foods that we love, please do also share my channel with them. And also please do remember to press that subscribe button below so that you will always be informed of when I upload new content. And I want to thank you all so very much for being here. And remember, you guys, it is a great day, and you continue to make it your own kind of special. And thanks for joining me.